Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted channel for in-depth reviews of the most useful gadgets for your home and family. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best baby monitor camera and audio system without Wi-Fi, the VTech VM819. Let's begin with what sets this device apart. The VTech VM819 isn't just a regular baby monitor. It's a compact powerhouse tailored for peace of mind. Right out of the box, this unit feels purpose-built. There's no complicated setup, no app pairing, and no Wi-Fi worries. It's plug and play, which means in under 5 minutes, you're connected and monitoring your little one, or even an elderly family member or pet. Now, let's talk battery life. The VM819 boasts up to 19 hours of video streaming on a single charge. That means overnight monitoring without stress, and enough juice during the day for you to move freely through your house or even step into the yard, thanks to its range of up to 1,000 feet. For any parent juggling multiple tasks, that kind of freedom is golden. Security is another area where this monitor shines. Unlike Wi-Fi-enabled devices that can be vulnerable to hacking or connectivity drops, the VM819 uses a secure 2.4 GHz FHSS channel. The 2.8-inch display on the parent unit might seem small at first, but it offers crystal clear video, even in low light. Night vision kicks in seamlessly, ensuring you never miss a moment. The camera also features 2x digital zoom, perfect for checking in on your baby's movements or seeing if your pet jumped on the couch again. And there's more than just visuals. The VTech VM819 includes two-way audio, allowing you to comfort your baby or talk to your pet from another room. Plus, it comes preloaded with 2 lullabies and ambient sounds, providing a soothing environment even when you're not in the room. It's a small touch, but one that speaks volumes about the care put into the device's design. One standout feature is the vox mode, or sound activation. You can set the monitor to turn off its screen and mute audio when things are quiet, saving power and reducing background noise. As soon as it detects a sound above your chosen threshold, like a cry or a bark, the screen automatically lights up and sound kicks back in. It's smart, responsive, and ensures you're alerted only when needed. A thoughtful addition is the temperature sensor. It not only displays the room's current temperature but sends alerts if it goes above or below a certain level. Whether it's too hot for nap time or too chilly in the night, you'll know exactly when to adjust the room's environment. Mounting and placement are also flexible. The camera can sit flat on a tabletop or be easily wall-mounted, giving you the angle you need based on your setup. Whether you're monitoring a crib, a play area, or a pet's corner, the camera adjusts to fit your needs. And if you're wondering about portability, the parent unit is super lightweight and easy to carry around. Slip it into your pocket, clip it to your waistband, or rest it nearby. It's designed with mobility in mind so that your day isn't tied to one spot. In conclusion, the VTech VM819 is a thoughtful blend of performance, privacy, and convenience. It's ideal for those who don't want to rely on apps or cloud services, who want extended battery life, and who need dependable coverage throughout the home. Whether it's for your baby, elderly parent, or furry friend, this monitor delivers peace of mind with every feature. If you're looking for the best baby monitor camera and audio combo without Wi-Fi dependency, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another hands-on review of the products that make life easier. See you next time.